Hey everyone, happy Easter from your favorite Midwest mixer. Today we are going to be bringing in our Easter holiday with the Drunken Bunny cocktail. And if you're curious, the bunny is definitely drunk. Its paws somewhere down here. This is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tin at the ready, a jigger for accurate measurement. We are not actually using any fresh juice on this one, so you should only need your Hawthorne strainer, but not your mesh strainer. We are going to need our martini glass. You will need some chocolate syrup just for decoration for the most part. You'll need heavy whipping cream. You can use milk. It's just going to be a little thicker if you use the heavy whipping cream. We're going to be using Kahlua, Irish cream, and then your favorite brand of vodka. And then you can decorate this kind of how you see fit. But this one, oh geez, Louise, what the heck is that? Sorry, my Roomba's starting to go and it startled me. Anywho, so ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. We're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of heavy whipping cream or milk, whichever you prefer. I like heavy whipping cream just because it gives it a nice little consistency. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of our Kahlua. If I could get it to pour out, that'd be awesome. Voila. And then we have 2 full ounces of our Irish cream. Oh, I spilled a little bit. And then 1 full ounce of your favorite brand of vodka. Okay, so we are going to fill the shaker tin up to the top with ice. We are going to shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until the shaker tin is ice cold in our hands. Whoa, that just shot everywhere. Such aggressive ice. Voila.
Gotta make faces while you shake.
Absolutely. Should always be smiling.
I don't know if I'd call it a smile.
All right, so I am the obnoxious bartender that makes designs in my martini glasses. My my staff and I were actually just talking about this. If I can get it to come out. They were like, "Oh yeah, I don't like to do designs because then it sticks in the glass." I'm like, "Well, yeah." They're like, "It's such a pain in the butt. Can't even get it to come out. It's the coconut all over again." So much chocolate.
Yeah, it is.
I know. But come on, it's gonna look so pretty. My goodness, that was like a pain in the tush coming out. All right. So again, no fresh juice. We don't need the mesh strainer. We just need the Hawthorne strainer. Come on. You can't say that doesn't look beautiful. Look at that design. Such intricate
I think that's an abstract.
detail. Okay, so aside from my beautiful chocolate design in here, I've got my fun little bunny paws. So I'm just going to kind of set those guys right on top. Oop, oop, it's it's sunk. Sad day. Oh, that one stayed. I mean, it's kind of there. It looks like it's been buried in the snow. Boop. That one stayed. We're going to ignore the first bunny paw, okay? Just bear with me. Oh, they're so cute, though. Oh, that one's kind of all jacked up, but that's okay. So it looks like my bunny ran across my field here. All right, guys, there we have it, our drunken bunny. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like my gorgeous face, my amazing mess ups, because I don't even know where that went.
Right to the bottom. Oh, I can see it.
Can you?
Yeah.
Where?
Maybe.
Oh,
Maybe.
the bunny is no more. I will get you for shishi. I don't know what language that was. I don't want to screw up bunnies.
Just take a sip.
Oh yeah, that's Nemi. In case you're curious, if I really, really, really enjoy something, predominantly food, I do a little Winnie the Pooh bear shake. But of course, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails, you enjoy seeing my beautiful face every day, my amazing screw ups, those I think are the best. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, happy Easter. Cheers.